What up, what up? It's your boy WhipAddict, man. We back on it. After a busy busy November. Orlando, Fall Fest, all type of stuff going on. Kinda had left the Cutlass alone for a second. But finna get back on it. Get this thing to D. Get me running. And get back over here to get sprayed, and then we on the road. Well, still gotta get the interior done, but we'll take care of that too. Alright, y'all, just moved out the old motor and the recently bought motor. New to me. Old in real life. 2.60s. My brother's supposed to come get this one. Some damn scratches. Yeah, so about to put the thing on the back of the truck. Alright, y'all, so we got the motors, trans, mostly all the extra pieces in the truck. Now for the car. We'll be back. Alright, y'all. With your CD.
You really put your heart back in, man.
Man, a new heart. Well, a used heart, but it's gonna be
a newer heart.
New to me, goddamn. Yeah. Hopefully it's chopping and going in with no issue and shit. Just let me know what I need. You know, I can't.
Brandon, y'all brought the swap plates and mounts off the motor.
Yeah, I got the whole motor.
You got both of the motors?
Yeah, because we ain't take the transmission off.
Yeah. I was like, damn, did we leave the motor in? Did we leave the transmission? I couldn't remember.
And the new motor got got its oil pan on. I didn't bring the oil pan from the old motor.
The old motor. It got a swap pan on it.
Yeah, and I got.
What up, Dirt?
I got.
Yeah, go ahead.
I brought the intake too.
Okay. Oh shit.
Yeah, forgot about it. I bet.
I didn't forget. I ain't got a chance to get there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, I just ain't had time to get there. Oh, put it in the shop, right? This big heavy motherfucker, boy.
Yeah. So yeah, my carburetor and shit, all my bolts in that box. Yeah, once we take everything, I'll show you. Wow, goddamn, the LT4 man, goddamn. How many folders you done did so far?
Shit.
Probably about 10 or maybe more.
Seriously?
Yeah. And we got so many more. We got at least 3 more.
Just
wait.
Is that many motherfuckers with LT4s? Goddamn.
Shit, you think about it, brother, they jam really went up. Like a couple months ago, you could get the supercharger for like $2,500, but now nigga done learn how to do it. But for like $5,000 for the supercharger now.
Yeah, for the supercharger itself.
Yeah.
From where? From Chevy and shit?
Like on the marketplace and shit like that.
Oh, they done upped it like that.
Yeah. Go to the floor.
Turn up.
You don't go to the floor, Brian. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. There you go.
Here you come. Oh yeah, my valve, my exhaust is on the ground.
All right, then we'll.
Keep your hands out that motherfucker, please.
Oh,
Yeah, I was just meant to say, y'all, be careful.
My bad.
Y'all fed not to put no print on like we did in the back.
No, we finna,
I was finna put this bitch in the paint booth and get ready to paint this motherfucker literally.
Yeah.
Literally.
Give me about 10 and a half, you paint them, man.
You don't tell me now. I'm so close over there.
You ain't getting in there until we clean up anyway. Yeah. Right there.
Figure out how
I'll
you
leave
get
for the
the
park.
new springs came out of the truck. That's the buster.
I ain't gonna lie, we got a pressure out this bitch. No goddamn.
All these everything need to be sprayed really. This bitch so dirty. This bitch was sitting in dirt when we pulled it. My goddamn mouth was over there.
Hey! Oh, damn it here. Shit. Damn, I wasn't there fighting that one of these niggas right here. Goddamn, wish I might.
I wish I might.
Shit.
Motherfucker just moved the motor.
Ah. You can talk that shit to me they want to, nigga.
Bag
I'm
up there.
motherfucking running, nigga. I'll be back. I'm telling both of y'all. I'll be back.
Put an old car together and I know we can do a conference talking.
Hey, shit. Easy.
Come on back.
Shit, what we done did one in a day. We ain't set up for it, LA.
Oh, it wasn't even set up for LSE?
Hell nah, I had to convert that bitch.
Do everything.
That shit crazy, boy. I took the whole motor, boy. I thought, you know, I didn't know though. I was like, damn, water must have got in the ceiling. Why? Like, still right now, you ain't spending the money though.
Right, with nothing in it, still.
Oh. Okay.
Alright.
Hold on.
I'll tell them.
I gotta get all this stuff out.
Oh, yeah,
It is simple.
Alright, y'all, we done dropped that thing off. Gonna see what it do in a couple days. Hopefully I'm running at least. You know, it ain't nothing fancy, ain't nothing special, but what I can do right now to get on the road. So I hope y'all see what this build, man. I'm just doing what I can really right now. I ain't putting a whole bunch of bread in this bitch. I'm just finna try and get outside, show y'all the concept, use my connections and my partners who rock with me and get this bitch done. And, you know, been long enough for whatnot, so appreciate everybody who having a hand in helping me out putting this thing together, man. So I'll see y'all in a couple days, man. Alright, y'all, came to drop off my drive shaft cross member. Got that somehow. Gotta be out here. I got my intake sprayed, water pump sprayed. Y'all think y'all can do something with this block?
Yeah, we can do something with it.
I mean, I'm gonna leave that with y'all.
Yeah. We can take everything off, take it to the machine shop and
See what they can. Because he said only way a machine shop can't save it is if it's cracked.
yeah, if it's cracked,
It's over with.
yeah, it's over.
But it don't look cracked, I don't think.
You know that one, only the machine shop figure it out there.
Right.
Yeah, they make
really
a
have to
pressure
lick it.
and make it some shit, and they can figure it out
Okay.
there. Because sometimes it don't looks like, and then whatever fucking product they use, you can see the crack.
You'll see it, yeah.
If it's a crack, it's over.
Yeah. How much they charge us to see if it's a crack?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, y'all
It's a long time. Take son over there.
got my old rusty headers attached. They work though.
Yeah.
They do what they supposed to. Look, y'all, like I said, we budget building. We just finna get on the road. Appreciate the help from my people. Like I said, man, I just want to get outside. I just want to drive this thing a little bit. You feel me? Right on time. One of my boy Peace
That damn drive street car shit.
Hey, that bitch goddamn be yeah.
That damn drive street car shit.
What up, bro?
What's going on, boy? Man, you beat me back.
Man, you know, I had chopped it up for a little bit. What up, my bad?
You know, look at my phone. Damn.
Like, good shit. I was just coming to drop off. See, y'all got hella progress.
Floor wheel bolts on different, and that motor right here, and this motor was different.
Oh, right. You were saying a bunch of different shit.
I got it over here. We took it outside, look, pressure wash, and shoot a little black on the front.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man.
Oh, shit.
Goddamn, be able to fucking drive a little bit.
Yeah, you better slide a little bit down.
Yeah, B was just showing me all the orange shit. He was like, they were trying to make sure this shit stayed good.
Yeah, boy. I took the damn oil pan and shit off and cleaned some of that shit off.
Oh, you had a bunch on the oil pan too?
Hell yeah.
And the remain seal cover.
Yeah, I put a new remain seal cover, oil pan gasket and shit on it. Now Jeff finna go do the front. Take some out so it don't look
It's just so gunky.
crazy.
Man, I'm liable not even to pop this motherfucker. Said I'm liable not even to pop this motherfucker. But I mean, shit, cause I'ma always had that before pitch, you know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
you don't know, it definitely got help.
Yeah.
For sure. Like, and I mean, shit, all this shit going on the tube anyway, so they don't see what's going on. But like I'm telling them, I'm just trying to, you know, get on the road.
Yeah, get on the road, get up and running.
And appreciate the help I get, you know what I'm saying? Oh, right, this came off the trailer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It didn't even have the motor in there? Or it wasn't driving?
Yeah, it went driving. It cranked up and drove, but...
I'm saying, well, it had the motor in there. You can show the install at least.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. This is 6. 96.
Yeah, 96.
Y'all did this swap, right?
Yeah.
How long this one took?
Shit, this one that didn't run 2 days before the show. He got there and fought the motherfucker like...
Shit, 2 days. Yes, the same day.
Yeah.
Same day we crank it
I
up,
got it the
we
same.
feed it out, crank it up, and load it to the trailer.
Then they get a chance to tune him, put a base file in the motherfucker and load it up on the trailer. I said, shit, Brian, we still gonna take it.
We gonna get this money worth, goddamn. We gotta pay this. We breaking everything we said.
We got this motherfucker. He got a leak on the muffler. Say, fuck it.
Yeah.
Load on the trailer.
We ain't worried about that. They ain't gonna see that. That boy P don't play, boy. Horsepower P.
Yeah.
Start calling him.
Be it.
Possible.
No.
Joe Henry.
Joe Henry. That
He ain't gonna sell me shit though.
he might not see.
I don't like you. I like it. And I love it. But you ain't gonna come get me. Bro, some of your transmission broke, bro.
Alright, y'all. Let's hit the road. Next time we see it, should be crunk up. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. That boy done pulled up with that thing on the back. Right on time. See how we looking. Still gotta adjust and get a few things. Looking alright though. Your boy looking alright though. We just wanna get running, baby. We just wanna come, pull up, let you see the color, let you see the guts, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. Yeah, he said I still gotta get a dipstick. How the fuck I ain't got no, oh yeah, I think it's on the truck. He said you gotta shorten, well, I gotta get my drive shaft shortened and I gotta get a better tensioner, he say, so work on that next. I say, do I even got gas? I'm trying to put it on. It's cool as that. Oh, falling out this bitch. Oh, I'm tired of this 32. Oh, shit. That bitch won't walk, bro. I know that fucking real. Had to go over here, motherfucker.
Come back, yeah, we gonna come back and get it. Come back and fuck with it.
I know he told me. I know he said a description. I got a goddamn piece of real. I mean a trash here.
Too long. The place that was on the car, sitting out further. So we're sitting out there, sitting in the right location.
Oh, it wasn't.
It wasn't in the right location.
My piss bag driving. Said my piss bag driving. We gonna put it in the same spot? Gonna put it in the same spot over there? D, over here. Reverse working, drive working. At least my transmission still good, seem like. Oh yeah, I forgot this nigga ain't got no rear view, no side view. Yeah, I got all that. Must need some fluid. Oh, you seen have you seen a spare oil tube? I thought I had saw one when I took the car. Alright. No, we're black.
I see you went over there and gave me this.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit, okay. Okay, so the tension is...
The tensioner go right here.
Okay.
Yeah, it had the wrong tension on it. And really, in theory, what I would do when you get ready to get done, I would just swap the pulleys all together for the simple fact. These pulleys really won't go with this block because ain't no hole right here in the block. So I just got the bolt just in it, so the alternator don't flex.
Okay.
So eventually, I would just, you can use all this same stuff, just swap it over to the ICT bracket.
The brackets keep
Yeah,
it
swap the
better.
brackets over.